Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to end call by pressing power button. So let's start. First of all, go to setting application, then accessibility setting. My accessibility setting has in additional setting. Then scroll down. Now you can see an option named power button ends call. Now activate this option. Okay, our work has finished. Now you can end any phone call by using your power button. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.